What if the next world war is not fought by humans, but by machines? What if the weapons of the future are not guns and bombs, but robots and drones? What if the ultimate decision-maker in warfare is not a human commander, but an artificial intelligence, or AI? These are not hypothetical questions, but real possibilities that we might face in the near future. AI is a game-changing technology that has the potential to revolutionize the nature and conduct of warfare. AI can enable new and unprecedented capabilities and advantages for militaries, as well as new and unforeseen challenges and risks for security and stability. AI is already transforming the way militaries operate and compete. AI can enhance the capabilities and performance of existing weapons systems, platforms, and processes. For example, AI can improve the accuracy and speed of targeting systems, the efficiency and reliability of logistics systems, and the quality and quantity of intelligence and data analysis. AI can also help reduce the human error and fatigue that can affect the performance and judgment of military personnel. AI can make existing weapons systems, platforms, and processes more effective and efficient, as well as more autonomous and adaptable. One of the most controversial and debated aspects of AI in warfare is the development and deployment of autonomous weapons systems, or AWS. AWS are systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. AWS can offer several benefits for militaries, such as reducing the risk of human casualties, increasing the speed and precision of attacks, and overcoming human limitations and biases. However, AWS also raise several ethical and legal concerns, such as the accountability and responsibility for the actions and outcomes of AWS, the compliance of AWS with the laws of war and human rights, and the potential loss of human control and dignity in warfare. Some examples of AWS that are currently in use or in development are the Phalanx CIWS, a naval close-in weapons system that can automatically detect and destroy incoming missiles and aircraft. The Harpy, an Israeli loitering munition that can autonomously search and attack enemy radar emitters. The X-47B, a U.S. stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle that can autonomously take off, land, and refuel. The Taranis, a UK stealth unmanned combat air vehicle that can autonomously perform surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. And the SGR-A1, a South Korean sentry robot that can autonomously detect and fire at intruders in the demilitarized zone. AI can also enable new and novel ways of conducting warfare, such as cyber warfare and information warfare. Cyber warfare is the use of computer networks and systems to disrupt, damage, or destroy the adversary's critical infrastructure, information, and operations. Information warfare is the use of information and communication technologies to influence, deceive, or manipulate the adversary's perception, cognition, and behavior. AI can enhance the capabilities and effectiveness of both cyber warfare and information warfare by enabling faster and more sophisticated attacks and defenses, generating and disseminating large amounts of fake or misleading information, and exploiting and influencing the cognitive and emotional vulnerabilities of the adversary. However, AI can also create new challenges and dangers for both cyber warfare and information warfare, such as the escalation and unpredictability of conflicts, the erosion of trust and credibility in information sources, and the polarization and radicalization of societies. Some examples of cyber warfare and information warfare that have occurred or are occurring are the Stuxnet, a malicious computer worm that damaged Iran's nuclear program; the Sony Pictures hack, a cyber attack that leaked confidential data and threatened the release of a controversial film; the WannaCry, a ransomware attack that infected and encrypted millions of computers worldwide; the Russian interference in the 2016 US presidential election, a coordinated campaign that used social media and hacking to influence the outcome of the election; the Cambridge Analytica scandal, a data breach that harvested personal data of millions of Facebook users for political purposes; and the COVID-19 infodemic, a global spread of misinformation and disinformation about the pandemic. AI will also shape and influence the future trends and dynamics of the security environment. AI will likely increase the complexity and uncertainty of warfare, as well as the speed and intensity of conflicts. AI will also likely create new asymmetries and imbalances of power, as well as new opportunities and incentives for cooperation and competition. AI will also likely challenge and change the existing norms and rules of warfare, as well as the roles and responsibilities of the actors involved. AI will also likely have significant implications for the human and humanitarian aspects of warfare, such as the protection of civilians, the prevention of atrocities, and the promotion of peace. AI in warfare can create different possibilities and consequences, depending on how advanced and widespread AI is, how the actors use and interact with AI, and how the people cope and react to AI. AI in warfare can have positive effects, such as making war less violent and cruel, improving security and stability, and promoting human progress and well-being. AI in warfare can also have negative effects, such as making war more violent and cruel, undermining security and stability, and harming human progress and well-being. AI in warfare can also have mixed or unclear effects, such as creating situations of both war and peace, shifting the balance of power, and changing the social fabric. AI is a powerful and disruptive technology that has the potential to transform the nature and conduct of warfare. It can bring both benefits and risks for the military and security of the world. It can also raise important ethical and legal questions that require careful and collective consideration and action. This technology is not only a technical issue, but also a political, social, and moral issue that affects us all. Therefore, we need to be aware and informed of the opportunities and challenges that it poses for the future of warfare, and to engage in a constructive and inclusive dialogue on how to ensure that it is used in a responsible and ethical way. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new and interesting about AI in modern warfare. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel Stock N Hustle, where we share more videos on topics related to AI and its impact on various domains. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about AI in warfare. Do you think AI is a blessing or a curse for the future of warfare? What are the ethical and legal issues that you think need to be addressed? How can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way? We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thank you for your time and attention, and we'll see you in the next video.